Here we see a set of Hayabusa clocks Gen 1 that have had a gear indication circuit fitted and also a neutral green LED under the zero. So if I turn them on, you get the sweep and the zero is illuminated green with the neutral light. When that goes out, when you select gears, it indicates which gear you're in. And if your kill switch is set, you'll get a warning. The warning is selectable to different warnings. I'll leave it on that one. And when you're in gear, that is dimmable. So you can dim it to a lower level at night, for example. I'll leave it bright for daytime. And I'll just give it some speed and RPM. See, they're working. Trip. Okay, hope you like them.